You paste a paragraph into an AI detector, and back comes a number, 87%. Now what? A teacher can't accuse with that. A writer can't learn from it. Detectors have two problems. They hide their reasoning. A percentage is not evidence. And they think in English. Spanish gets a clumsy translation of English rules. So I built the opposite. SignsOfAI flags the tells of AI in 4 families, and for each one, it tells you what it is and how to fix it. It's a linter, not a verdict. Lexical, overused vocabulary. Delve, tapestry, multifaceted. Each word is weighted by how much more common it became after ChatGPT. But the signal I trust most is rhythm. Machines settle into 15 to 25 words per sentence and stay there. Humans vary. You can measure it. Burstiness. Human, 0.7. Machine, 0.1. And it all runs in your browser. No server, no upload, no account. Your documents never leave your device. Rules and statistics, not a neural black box. The Spanish pack isn't translated. I derived it from scratch because the tells are different. That's the part no English-only tool can copy. And there's more. An originality checker. It highlights passages 2 texts share, even paraphrases across languages. The evidence is the score. A human judges. It never accuses. Free open source for the education community. Try it at the link, give it a paragraph, and see what it says.